The question is bracket 15 plus 9, bracket close, divided by 3 plus 4, multiplied by, in the parentheses, 6 minus 2. Here we will apply the PEMDAS rule. What is the PEMDAS rule? We know that P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, and D for division. A for addition, and S for subtraction. First, we solve the parentheses. Here, multiplication and division have the same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction also have the same priority. So, we will solve the parentheses first. Let's work on the solution. If we solve 5 plus 9, it becomes 14. Bracket divide by, divide 3 plus 4 into, this remains the same. 3 plus 4 multiply, here inside the parentheses, 6 minus 2, parentheses close. Now let's further sort it out. 24 divide by 3. Plus 4 into 6 minus 2. If we solve this bracket, 6 minus 2 will become 4. Now let's solve further. 24 divided by 3 plus 4 into 4. Here, we will first give priority to division, second priority to multiplication, and third priority to addition. So 24 divided by 3 plus 4 into 4 by 3. 24 will be divided at this point. Now let's solve further. 8 plus 4 into 4. Now 4 into 4 will be 16. 8 plus 16. 8 plus 16 gives us 24. That's correct, sir.